are at Splittsville at Patriots Place in Foxboro for the second annual NEAHMA Beantown Bowl. It's a fantastic event. We've got 8 different management companies competing against each other tonight. We've got a great raffle going on as well to support the NEAHMA Educational Foundation.
It's a really great opportunity for our vendors to get to know the property management companies, to network with them, and to really showcase what they do. And it's an opportunity for the property management companies to get out, have a great time, bowl, have food and drinks, and give their people a chance to socialize and meet other members of NEAHMA.
It's a good opportunity to come out and support NEAHMA, and also to have a good time and to help all the different causes that NEAHMA helps.
I just want to say thank you to all the fantastic people at NEAHMA for throwing this event. This is one of the most fun events of the year, and Downing and Van Dyke always love to support NEAHMA and come out to this awesome cause.
This is an awesome event. It's a fun event. It's not just work related, but it's a time that we can hang out and enjoy our friends that we have from other companies and in the industry.
It's really a great night. We're proud to be here. We've been a sponsor the last 2 years, and we're certainly going to come back next year as a sponsor as well.
This is our first year attending, and we have a team here, and it's just great to get out, network with everyone, and everybody's having such a great time.